Good evening. My name is Luis Salcedo, student International Relations and Political Studying Program. Now I'm going to explain about Brazil and its geostrategic importance in Latin America. The title of the Brazilian Geopolitical School occurs from the 1930s in the furnace of the Varguista regime, with special incidents in the military sector. Three exponents stand out here: General Golbery do Couto de Silva and Everardo Baucauser, and Colonel Barrio Travassos. These three foreigners were remarkably influenced by the Council of the German Geopolitical School, promoted at the beginning of the 20th century, especially rural areas. Karl Haushofer and Friedrich Russell, whose incident also had strong influence on other geopolitical and national security doctrine in the region, such as Argentina and Chile. Brazil is the largest country in Latin America in terms of size, and it is the fifth largest country in the world after Russia. In addition, it borders almost all the nations of South America, with the exception of Chile and Ecuador. On the other hand, it has the 10th most powerful economy on the planet. It has one of the largest river networks worldwide, with 55,567 kilometers square of inland waters, with an urbanization rate estimated at every 7%. Brazilian military spending reaches 1.3% of its GDP, due to its extraordinary territorial extension, the weighting of Brazil, geopolitical postulates is practically framed of the essential factor that explain and give meaning to South America geopolitics. Brazil as a special incident in maritime factors, Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, Caribbean Sea, in the hydrographic basin, Amazonas, and Rio de la Plata, in the Antonine, caused by conflict in the Andean area, the region, and drug trafficking in Colombia, Bolivia, and Peru. Political upheaval, Paraguay. The environmental factor, Amazonia, and the military balance in Argentina, Peru, and Venezuela. Brazil is a peacekeeping power in the region. In addition, in the scene and current agreement in authority also that Brazil has project for the integration of the region, the reform to the main objective of that country, regional political integration and the stabilization and promotion of peace and democracy among its neighbors. Thus, we find Mercosur and Instrum UNASUR, which are instruments to stabilize the region in economic and political terms around the present leadership of Brazil. Brazil is carrying out a commercial policy in search of strengthening strategic ties with the other South American countries, as the case of Peru. With this power, Brazil achievements in recent years include new ties with central actors in international politics. Be celebrated defense treaty with the United States, closing millionaire investment agreement with China, strengthening its military and space cooperation with Russia, aspiring to a permanent seat on the Security Council of the United Nations organization by being in negotiation processes such as the one that involves the revision of the Iranian nuclear program. Thank you.